Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 175. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Trisha from GK today and I'll be taking you through this. What is the ISO code for Indian rupee? The correct answer is ISO 4217. ISO 4217 is a standard first published by International Organization for Standardization in 1978, which delineates currency designators, country codes, whether it's alpha or numeric, and references to minor units. In which of the following situations net exports are negative? The correct answer is when import is more than export. When exports are lower than imports, net exports are negative. If a nation exports, say, 100 billion rupee worth of goods and imports 80 billion, it has net exports of 20 billion. The amount gets added to the country's GDP. The association of Indian rupee with pound sterling was broken in which year? The correct answer is 1990. The rupee was partially floated on 1st March 1992. Which among the following is correct regarding the relationships of balance of payments and capital movements? Correct answer is balance of payments is affected by capital movements. So the connection between trade balances and international flow of financial capital is so close that the balance of trade is sometimes described as balance of payments. Each category of the current account balance involves a corresponding flow of payments between a given country and the rest of the world economy. The rural credit in India has been institutionalized truly since? The correct answer is inception of cooperative movement. Rural credit cooperatives are the oldest and the most extensive form of rural institutional financing in India. The major thrust of these cooperatives in the area of agricultural credit is the prevention of exploitation of the peasants by moneylenders. So these cooperative banks actually help the farmers get loans without being exploited by enormous interest that is usually levied on them by private moneylenders. Swiss accounts are considered safe and secure as Switzerland maintained neutrality in both world wars. But it's not a member of the European Union and was not given a membership of the United Nations until which year? The correct answer is 2002. So, banking law of 1934 made it a criminal act for a Swiss bank to reveal the name of the account holders, which is why Swiss bank secrecy protects the privacy of banks' clients. The protections afforded under Swiss law are similar to the confidentiality protections between doctors and patients or lawyers and their client. So, under no circumstances without a court order can the bank be forced to give up the name of the clients. Most of the time, it is the economic policy adopted by the government before recession which determines what type of recession it is. A wrongly calibrated economic policy may lead to L-shaped recession, which is the worst of all. What is correct regarding L-shaped recession? The correct answer is that it is a recession that goes down and then stays there for a long period of time without a recovery. So basically, L-shaped recession is very hard to recover from and get the economy back in order. There are other types of recession as well. For example, U-shaped recession goes down slowly and then stays there for a few years before recovering. And then there is V-shaped recession, which goes down slowly and then stays there for many years before recovering. Which among the following taxes does not increase the price of commodity for buyers? The correct answer is income tax. The price effect is the impact of the market based on how the consumer is spending money as a result of income effect. So any taxation on income does not really affect the market's commodity prices. Which among the following is true regarding NNP? NNP is net national product. The correct answer is it is GNP or gross national product minus depreciation. So net national product refers to gross national product, that is the total market value of all final goods and services produced by the factors of production of a country or other polity during a given time period minus whatever depreciation took place. What is the correct full form of NEFAS? The correct full form is National Fund for Unorganized Sector. So, National Fund for Unorganized Sector, what it does is it helps small industries develop. There's actually a bank called the Small Industries Development Bank of India, which has a special cell for providing refinance to banks for further lending to micro or unorganized sectors. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.